Papa, which island are you talking about?
That one there.
This two.
Here, Mama, let's go there. And we also find that it's a turtle like in Avatar.
Yeah, we have the lion turtles. You just say those are all lion turtles. We just saw someone
How are they high when it has not been raining?
It might have been raining on Lake Victoria or
like it rains there alone, eh? Not
no, it's raining on Lake Victoria,
yes.
then the volume goes up.
But it's not raining on the mainland.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey.
It happens a lot. Actually, on Lake Victoria, every day there is rain.
So, Francis, when are you going to buy for me a piece of land there?
Sigenda
kula. Ogenda zisa sula. Ogenda zisa. No, you won't.
I'm gonna be behind that car boulder there.
It's a boulder there.
I'm gonna hold you. I'm just scared.
Don't hold me. I don't want to be held. Just want to go to the river and swim in it. I'm kidding.
Okay,
no
swim.
way.
Okay, swim.
I could never.
I give you permission.